High efficiency. Low fuel consumption. Safety. Harmonize the three for an extreme performance. ViO80-1. Contribute to high efficiency and low fuel consumption. Achieved lower fuel consumption compared to former machines. Recirculate gas emission into the cylinder. Control the discharged NOx by controlling the temperature and the oxygen concentration inside the cylinder. Outstanding full equipment provides safe operation. High workability even in narrow spaces with a standard boom swing and blade. Able to work right next to walls. An ultra-tight turning machine. A comfortable operation in a quiet, cozy space. Minimize exhaustion during long working hours in a comfortable space. Easy opening with just one touch. Efficient maintenance. Full options. Without staining your hands. Attach and remove with one operator a hydraulic quick hitch. A front guard and top guard that protects the operator. Install the Smart Assist remote as standard. Manage the machine efficiently with remote monitoring. Provide safety and support management. A substantial new 8-ton class, ViO80-1.
Yanmar